Hi, I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you 5 must-know strumming patterns that you absolutely need to know for strumming all your basic songs. Let's go on strumming number 1. So we're going to play on an E minor here. So you can use your pointer on string 5 fret 2 and your middle finger on string 4 fret 2. So you can also change your fingering. Or just like this. Okay, so this strumming here we're going to play down, down, up, down, down, up. So as you can see, I'm not brushing all the strings coming up. It's only on the bottom strings here, on string 1, 2, 3, or 4. So the E, B, and G string. So do it again, so. Now let's move on strumming number 2. So here we're going to do down ups. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So remember, you don't need to hit your strings super hard to make it sound good. That's not how it's going to work. You won't play better. So take your time, listen on the sound. Now let's go on strumming number 3. So here we're playing on down, up, down. Down, up, down. And remember, this is a 4-beat strumming. So still on E minor. So. Now let's go on strumming number 4. So for strumming number 4, we're going to work on what we call the palm muting here. You hear the sound? So I'm placing the palm of my right hand here on the top strings here. So strings 6, 5, and 4. And the rest there in 3. And I'm searching for the sound. So I'm just going to be close here to the bridge and search for the sound here. So you can move on. Okay, so PM is for palm muting. And this is going to be down, 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 down. So that's a really important one to know. Now let's move on to our last must-know strumming pattern. Strumming number 5 here. So still on a E minor. I know this is your favorite chord. It's an easy chord. And this is a lesson for beginners. So here we're going to play down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. So the 2 first downs are muted. So I'm only muting on the 2 first strings, and after I'm not muting, so I'll go slowly again.